Hi, Lina.
Hi, teacher.
Did you eat your breakfast already, Lina?
Mm, Now I'm eating.
Oh, you are still eating. Okay, that is fine. Enjoy your breakfast. What are you having for breakfast now?
Bread and butter.
Oh, okay. Very delicious, Lina. Okay, so let me share my
Hi,
screen.
teacher.
Yeah.
Mm, mm, I I learn maths and my score is 9.5.
Oh, 9.5. Why
Yeah,
is there a point? Why is there a point?
yeah, because in Vietnam they put that so
Oh,
9.5 is like 10.
yes, if you would round
And
it off.
teacher says that's the highest score in my class, so Mm, teacher gave me 50,000 dong.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a nice motivation as well for students to learn. So you have a lot of money now.
And everyone have a boba tea.
Oh, what about you? Aside from the money, did you have a boba tea?
Yeah, everyone.
Oh, oh, okay. Your teacher is very nice, Lina.
And he's funny too. Everyone likes to learn at him. There are three friends in my class. It's Lily, Nhật Hạ, and Mẫn Nhi.
Oh, okay. Well, among the three of them, I only know Lily.
Yeah, it's Phương Lan.
Ah, okay, Lina. What about your IELTS teacher?
Mm, she's not funny much, but
Oh,
she's
she's not.
only 25 years old.
Hmm. Okay, so she's serious.
Not serious much. Sometimes, um, um, I learned that the new vocabulary go off means like go off means like the alarm is go off and it makes sounds. But in Vietnam, we write the word nổ reo. Nổ reo means make a sound like the alarm make. But Phương Lan yesterday, Phương Lan writes the word nổ nẻo. It mean it mean exploded the brains.
Why?
I don't know. She have a less vision.
Okay, maybe she heard it differently from others, Lina. There are really people like that. That's fine. Okay. So the three of them are still your classmates in your IELTS class? Are they still your classmates in your IELTS class, Lina?
Mm. Can you say again?
Are they still your classmates in IELTS class?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just
So,
learned three with other two people.
oh, with other two people, not three.
It's Lily and her brother.
Okay, Lina. Thank you so much for sharing that. Now, let us focus and we will have lesson 31. Can you tell me what did you do on vacation? What did you do on vacation, Lina?
Mm,
You went to where, right?
um, I went to I don't know.
Last time, where did you go again with your family for, I believe, 4 days, Lina? Where did you go? I forgot the place.
Huế.
No, not Hue. Okay, but let's talk about when you went to Hue then. Okay, what did you do there, Lina? What did you do there?
Um, I I can remember too.
Can't remember. Well, if I'm not mistaken, that was the reunion of your parents' batch, right? Wait, let me translate. Maybe you don't know reunion. Reunion.
Đoàn tụ.
Is it, Lina?
Um, um, đoàn tụ. Oh,
Yes. Is it?
I know it now.
Okay, so you went away for the reunion. But not for you, it's for your mom.
It's for all of my family.
Oh, for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. So they have a different reunion in Vietnam. It always includes the family members. Okay, because here in the Philippines, Lina, just the ones who graduated from that school. Okay. Unless it is a family reunion, then the children and as well as the husband will be included. Okay. Thank you. Now let us have exercise one, Lina. What is wife? What is wife, Lina?
This
Can you
means
define it? It means what? Wife.
it mean a person.
A
It
person,
mean a person that
a woman specifically.
uh um
Wife. Just like your mom, right?
yeah, like my
Is.
mom.
She's the wife of your dad. Okay, so when we say woman, it means a married woman in a relation to her spouse. Okay, a woman who is married, Lina. Now, what about boyfriend? Boyfriend. What?
It's mean there's a boy that's a French. They love the girl.
Oh, okay. Not a friend anymore, Lina. More than that, okay? So when we say boyfriend, Lina, it is a man someone is dating in a romantic relationship. So they are more than friends, not friends, okay? Wait, let me translate it for you. Boyfriend is a man someone is dating in a romantic relationship.
Bạn trai là người đàn ông mà ai đó đang hẹn hò trong một mối quan hệ tình cảm.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes. So they are not friends. They are more than friends. Okay. They are lovers. lovers to married couple. Okay? Because that
Okay.
is it. Okay, single couple, or yes, being in a romantic relationship, and then married ones. Okay, what about partner? What is partner?
Mm,
What is partner, Lina?
mm,
Partner. What is it?
mm. I don't know.
You don't know partner? Okay, when we say partner, Lina, still, it is either a member of a married or just long-term and married couple. Like your mom and dad. They are partners. But as well, not only them. It could be some people who are not yet married. As long as they are together, we can call them partners.
Hoặc là
Okay?
thành viên của một cặp vợ chồng đã kết hôn hoặc một cặp đôi sống chung lâu năm mà chưa kết hôn.
Okay?
It's like Ronaldo and his wife.
Yes, Ronaldo and his wife, they are married, Lina. So yes, they are partner. So as your mom and dad, they are partners too.
Mm,
Yes.
like Dylan.
Yes, they are partners, Lina, because again, when we say partner, you can be married or not married, Lina, as long as you are in a relationship. Wait, partner.
Đối tác có thể là thành viên của một cặp vợ chồng đã kết hôn hoặc một cặp đôi sống chung lâu năm mà không kết hôn.
Okay. So, you can be married or not married, like your mom and dad. Aside from they call each other husband and wife, they as well call each other a partner of one another. Okay, partner. Because they are married. Okay? And so, same as boyfriend and girlfriend, Lina, they can call each other partner. As it says here, they could be married or just in a long-term unmarried relationship. Okay? Lina? What can you say, Lina?
Wait.
So it's not only applicable to Ronaldo and Georgina Wilsons?
First, I just think Giorgio and Renato didn't
Didn't what? Oh, well, it's applicable to all couple, Lina. They are partners of one another. Okay. Partner of each other. Now, next one. What about brother? What is brother? Is brother? What is brother, Lina?
It's me now.
Eh?
Is 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 a boy that's older than his sibling.
Oh, okay. A boy who is older than his siblings. Now, when we say brother, Lina, it doesn't really matter if he's older or younger. May he be older or younger, he's still a brother. Okay? So, a brother is a male sibling, Lina, or the son of your parents, just like Bobby. Why did you say older, Lina? What about if it's younger? What do you call them? What do you call if it is younger?
Is
Still brother.
Lina.
Yes?
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say brother, Lina, it doesn't matter if he's older or younger. Okay? We don't only call someone brother if he's older than us. He could be older or younger than us as long as he is the son of your parents, like Bobby. Okay? He is younger than you and you call him your brother. Now, what about fiance?
Fiance.
Wait.
Fiance.
Fiance?
Yes. Have you heard of this word?
Girlfriend?
What?
Is a girlfriend?
Not a girlfriend, Lina. Not a girlfriend. This one, Lina, fiance, it is a man. Okay, wait for a moment. It's a man. Lina, if we only have one E, okay, so it is a man that someone has agreed
Vị
to
hôn phu là
marry.
người đàn ông mà ai đó đã đồng ý kết hôn.
Okay. Do you
Okay.
get it now? Yes, and when we say fiance as in double E, Lina, that is a woman. Okay? That someone has agreed to
Vị hôn
marry.
thê là người phụ nữ mà ai đó đã đồng ý kết hôn.
Okay? Or, yes, who is engaged to be married. Okay? That is fiance. Now, what about best friend?
That's easy. Like a friend?
Like a friend? That is what? What about that friend, Lina? Lina?
It means a friend that very best. Good play. Good play very good at him. Good at her.
Oh, okay. Yes, it is our closest friend, right? And not only closest, but as well as the most trusted one. Okay, like, is your best friend Lily? Lily?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yes, just like that. Okay, you tell her your secrets because you trust her. Do you tell her your secrets, Lina? Do you tell her your secrets?
What secret? Just sometimes.
Oh, just sometimes. Okay. Now, next one. What about colleague? Colleague. Colleague. What is it?
Um.
Yes. Colleague.
mm,
What is colleague? Have you heard of this word before? Have you heard of this word before, Lina?
I never seen that before. I just know
Oh.
college.
Oh, you only know college. What is college? What is college then? Can you tell me what college is? What is college, Lina?
Mm,
Lina?
I don't know.
You told me that you know college. What is college?
It's like university.
Okay, yes, it is where students go after studying in high school or senior high school. Okay, what about colleague? It's like, for example, I had lunch with a colleague from the office today. What does it mean? I had lunch with a colleague from the office today. Listen to that sentence, Lina, and tell me what it means when we say colleague.
Colleague.
Yes. It's. Do you have an idea?
No.
Yes, Lina, do you have an idea, Lina?
Yeah, but I don't think so.
Can you try to tell me your idea? Listen again to the sentence. I had lunch with a colleague from the office today. What does it mean? Colleague is?
If we are saying about people, so this word is a people.
Yes, it is.
So college is a people who teach people in the college.
Oh, okay. That is instructor, Lina. That is instructor. Another term for teachers who teaches students. Okay. Now, when we say colleague, Lina, it is a person that you work with. Okay, like for example, your dad works with a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so those people are his colleagues. Okay, people that someone work with. Colleague, Lina.
Oh.
Colleague.
Đồng nghiệp.
Oh.
Okay,
I know it now.
yes. Now, what about grandmother?
It mean
It means, what is it? You can do it, Lina.
is a mother of our dad or our mom.
Okay, yes. When we say grandmother, it is the mom of your mom or dad. Very good, Lina. Now let us practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items are family members and which are not. Okay, so the first one is Wife, is it a family member or not a family member?
Mm, mm,
Yes, Lina.
um,
Wife is a family member or not a family member?
she is a family member.
Okay, yes, exactly. What
And
about
she loves,
boyfriend?
and she loves,
She loves?
mm,
Okay. Now, when we
I
say
don't know.
wife, of course, it's a family member. What about boyfriend? Boyfriend.
Um, it's,
Family member or not? What is it, Tina? Boyfriend
mm,
is a family member or not a family member?
she is a family member.
He is not a family member, Lina. Okay, we'll talk about this next meeting. Next meeting, Lina. And since today is Friday, then we'll see each other on Monday. Okay, thank you and enjoy your weekend, Lina.
Hey,
Goodbye, Lina.
I, I, mm, tomorrow I will make a cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake.
Ooh, interesting, Lina. Okay, so show me or send me some pictures of your Oreo
Okay,
cheesecake. Okay,
okay.
enjoy. Goodbye, Lina.
Goodbye, teacher.